Hi everyone. I hope everybody is doing well and are in high spirits. Um, let's welcome Pisces season. I thought, as I am a Pisces myself, I'll do an interesting read for all of you today to welcome the Pisces season. Okay, so this is an all signs read, and I'm going to check on who is thinking about you right now as far as each side is concerned. Okay, so let's start. We start with Aries. So, Aries, oh, okay. Aries, this is somebody um, who is quite saddened and heartbroken by the situation. They are actually thinking of communicating, but they also have their guards up because of the pain they have been through in the past with you. So they are quite tired about the situation but can't stop thinking about you guys. It seems like they are putting all their energy into work right now, but that does not mean that they are not hoping to have a communication with you guys or wanting some sort of a balance coming into the situation. But they are really scared that they don't want to get back into the burdened and heartbroken energy that they have been through with you earlier. So they are wanting to stand up for themselves, stand up for their rights, but there is also this energy of wanting to come back, talk to you guys. It's also saying that this person is right now in very single energies. They don't have anybody in their lives right now, um, but they are thinking about you non-stop. So I won't be surprised if you guys get some sort of a message from them. This person can be an air sign, can be an earth sign, an air sign being Libra, Aquarius, and Gemini, and earth sign being Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Now, though this person is coming very slowly towards you, but it also says that this person is having a lot of passionate thoughts and feelings about you, and they want to come forward very fast, but they are just holding on to the thought for right now and moving in very slowly. So, Aries, you can expect this person to come in this month. Oh, also one thing I want to add. This person thinks that you guys have a lot of options in your life right now. So that is also one thing that is stopping them from coming towards you. Okay, now we move on to Taurus. Taurus, who is the person thinking about you right now? Okay, Taurus. The person who is thinking about you right now is a little confused about a certain decision which is connected to you, specifically connected to you, as well as yeah, okay, they are actually going through some sort of a physical ailment. They want to get out of this physical ailment, they want to get out of this illness that they're suffering. It could be emotional, mental, or physical, and that is when they want to start something new with you, start afresh, or continue whatever they have with you. Okay, now this person definitely sees you as somebody who is extremely loving, caring, very nurturing, a person that you are in love with them, and they know that you want something long term with them. So do they. They also want something long term with you. They also want that there a balance comes in to the situation, but right now they're working on themselves because they really need to come out of this energy of feeling very low, because I do feel that they are going through some emotional uh, trauma or physical ailment. Okay, so that is why they are feeling a little stuck, but this also shows that they are sort of stuck on you, Taurus. Okay, they will come forward. They will come rushing towards you once they feel better. Okay, and they want something long term. That is for sure. So yeah, that means that you can expect somebody to come through. I guess you guys are also waiting for this person to come along, and you can expect this person to come through and give you a long-term proposal or a long-term commitment. Okay, let's move on to Gemini now. Oh, Geminis, your person is seeing you very mysterious. They don't know what you are up to. They feel that you are doing quite well in life and that you are in very abundant, self-sufficient, independent energy, solo energies. You are making things work for yourself, and that you guys are pretty blocked towards them because you feel that you need to stand up for yourself, because this person was somewhat unfair to you, and it's also saying that this person did you wrong in some way. So you are standing up against them, and that's how they see you. That you guys are wanting to not give into it completely right now, though you guys are also thinking about them, and they feel that you guys have a lot of options in your life, a lot of people queued up for your attention. But you guys are very focused on your work and pentacles, finances, money is what is most important for you right now. So they are definitely seeing you as a missed opportunity, and they feel that that they cannot get back to you until unless they come back in complete new energies towards you, completely corrected energies towards you, and they have to shed the fears and the problems and the issues from the past. Okay, they have a lot of regrets about the situation, how they had handled the situation earlier. So they are moving very slowly towards you, but they are coming surely towards you, Gemini. So you guys can also expect this person to come along, but it may take some time. Moving on to Cancer now, guys. Cancer, who is thinking about you these days or right now? Let's see. Somebody who walked away from your life, Cancerians. They are definitely healing from whatever you guys went through. It seems like you both went through a difficult, painful phase in your life, maybe together or individually. They are in healing, but they're still stressed about the situation because they don't want to lose you. So they are wanting to come forward, but in a smaller way. They don't want to jump into anything big right away. They are very focused on what they want in life right now. They are doing a lot of things. They have a lot on their plate, but they definitely are thinking about you constantly. They see you as the emperor, and they definitely want to travel towards you. Okay, they have a lot of attraction towards you still, and they feel that you do as well. So they want to come forward and test your connection. Okay, they want to see how it is coming along still, as in if they still have that, they hold that position, have that excitement for you that they used to have earlier. If you are still excited about them. Okay, if you still have passion for them, if you still have the romance for them, they want to come and test it, of course. Though they think that it's kind of a challenge, but it's difficult, but they want to take up the challenge. They are ready. They are ready to take it on. So you can expect some sort of news as well, some sort of communication as well. They may actually come along. I mean, they may actually come and meet up with you, or they may send you a message as to they want to meet you, basically, and they are definitely spying on you. So yeah, I think today it seems like all the people who are thinking about you guys are really into you and really wanting to communicate. So let's move on to Leos now. Leos, who is the person thinking about you right now at this moment? Let's check. Okay. Could be a Libra. Could be a Libra or an earth sign. Okay. And it's showing that this person is having really depressing thoughts about you. They feel that it's ended between you guys, Leos, and you are moving on. You're happy, you are moving on, and you're very blocked towards them. You don't want to probably continue this or reignite this situation. They are feeling quite heartbroken about the situation, Leos. They miss you. And they definitely want to renew this love, renew this connection. But they are not very sure that if they should right now. So they're holding back, but keeping an eye on you guys. Okay. They are also wanting to woo you, charm you, date you, do everything again that impresses you. The first time that it worked, so they feel that it may work the second time as well, so they want to come towards you. But yes, they are going to be taking it easy. They are going to take care that it does not backfire for them. So they don't want to ruffle your feathers, Leos, because you guys can be quite feisty when it comes to removing somebody from your life. You can completely cut them out. So they are not wanting you to lash out at them, so they will take it easy. They also feel that you guys have a lot of options and you are exploring your options, Leos. So that is also making them feel very heartbroken, and they want to come and stop that situation and win you back. So let's hope, Leos, your person also comes along. Now we move on to Virgo. Virgo, who is this person who is thinking about you right now? Let's check. Okay, Virgos, this is somebody who is going through a lot of stress about this situation, and otherwise they are going through some sort of a transformation in their life right now. They are wanting to come forward and express their love towards you, but I think they are carrying a lot of burdens right now as far as their life is concerned, their work is concerned, and they want that situation to change, and that is when they want to come forward and make a move. They are just waiting for the ships to come in and some things to end and some new beginnings to happen for them to be able to come towards you. Meanwhile, they definitely keep a tab on you constantly. They are waiting their finances to get better, Virgos, it seems like. But yeah, they have been a little deceptive towards you in the past, and they have created a lot of challenges for you guys in the past too. So now they are finding this situation very challenging as to come towards you and convince you about their love. They want to confess something. Of course, I see that they could be not feeling that very well, either emotionally, physically, financially. Okay, and they feel that you are moving on. You are, you are letting go, you're releasing them, and you are moving on. But they still see you as their wish fulfillment. So I feel they will definitely come along, though they see that there are a lot of external obstacles in your relationship, but they still want to come along and express their love to you because they also are quite heartbroken. They want something long term as well. But right now, they can't feel your energy at all, Virgo. They can't sense you, feel you, and they see you as a complete mystery. They don't know what you are up to. And in fact, they feel that you guys are quite disappointed in them. It really stresses them out. This situation not really coming to its culmination the way they want it to, that is really stressing them out. So Though I don't see a communication coming from them right away, like in near future, but it still may happen because wanting to come forward is very, very strongly showing up in their energies right now. Now we have Libra. Let's see, Libra, who is thinking about you right now. Somebody who is completely focused on you, who had once walked out of your life but is now coming back, or is back already, or is traveling towards you right now. They want a clear communication with you, they want to confess something to you. It seems like either they're traveling or they have traveled some distance to be with you. They definitely want to claim you, but they see you as being a little cold and distant and not really complying to their wishes. They're not sure if you're that interested in them. So that is why they also keep their feelings subdued and suppressed. But I do feel that in their future, you may see that they are confessing some sort of feelings for you, or some sort of love proposition can come your way. Confession of love or expression of love is showing up. So you can expect something like that to come in. Libras, they see you as somebody unique, somebody special, somebody spectacular. They have not met anybody like you ever before in their lives. So that is something that constantly keeps on pulling them towards you. It draws them like a magnet towards you, and they also feel that you have a lot of options, so you're blocked towards them. You will not give them the time of the day, but right now they're definitely hoping for a reunion, wanting to enjoy with you, celebrate with you, at least spend some good time with you. So that is something they definitely are looking forward to right now. After that, you can expect some sort of truth and honesty from them as far as their feelings are concerned. Yeah, they see you as the star. So, though distant, but their wish fulfillment, and somebody who's just fabulous, which you all are, Libras, and they are just waiting and healing. I mean, I think they were just waiting and healing, and now they're coming towards you. So you can expect it to happen anytime, Libras. I guess your person is coming. The person who is thinking about you is coming to you soon. Now we move on to Scorpios. Okay, Scorpios. Who is the person who is thinking about you? Let's see now. This person is somebody who has not been in communication with you guys, but now they want to come forward and communicate fast. Fast communication coming from them. Right now, it seems like it would be either an SMS text or a message on social media or one of those digital platforms. Okay, though they are really overthinking about this situation, but I do see that they still have a lot of love for you. I do think that this situation also ended for you guys, and this guy, I'm sorry, this person, not guy, it can be a guy or a girl, that this person is really scared of you right now. You make them nervous, Scorpios, okay? Still they want to come forward. They want to rush towards you, and I do think that they are already on their way, and some sort of change, some amazing changes coming your way as far as this person is concerned or love is concerned, Scorpio. So beware. If you don't want it, then be careful. But I can also see that this person really wants a partnership or something long term. Now they are realizing that you are a very ideal woman, ideal person, an ideal partner, okay, and that when they did not give you your due, they made a mistake. So that is the reason they want to come fast towards you. So far, they have been very slow. So let's hope for the best, Scorpios, that they can come towards you, because I do see with the Wheel of Fortune that something is going to turn in your favor and your luck, and a nice new cycle is about to start here. Okay, now let's move on to Sagittarius. Sagittarius. Who is thinking of you right now? Okay. Sagittarius, the person who is thinking about you also wants to come forward. They did you wrong. They have not found anybody like you ever before. I think most of the people who are thinking about you, in all signs, it's some similar energies coming up today for them. So I think there is a wave of similar energy uh, going around. Anyway, so this person had hoped for some sort of a long term wish fulfillment with you, a long term relationship with you. It did not happen, but they still have not lost any hopes. They still think that it is possible, and I do feel that they are coming for their wish fulfillment. They are coming for the wish fulfillment, which is you, and they want to come in a very new energy. Okay, they want to rush towards you. They have a lot of passion for you. They have a lot of passion and love and yes, romance building up inside them for you. So I guess they are just waiting to see what is it that you do next, what are your next actions, because they also in some way want some sort of an attention from you. They want some sort of a hint or a clue from you that if you're at all interested in them. So you're waiting for some sort of a hint, some sort of a clue. But even if you don't give it to them, I do see them coming in still. So I guess all the people who are thinking about you, guys, they all want to come forward and yeah, and make some sort of a confession or proposal or gesture. They want to give you gifts. It's amazing energies. I think Pisces season is bringing in a lot of love. Oh, of course, Venus is also active, really active after a long time. So I guess love life is going to see some changes, some activity, some movements uh, around this time. Moving on to uh, Capricorn. For a second, I forgot. Okay. Capricorn, seems like you people will definitely have um, a lot of options in love soon. That is how it's starting. Anyhow, the person who is thinking about you right now also feels that way. That you have a lot of options in your life and you have moved on from them. Uh, but still, they see you heartbroken in some way. They are heartbroken too. You guys are mirroring each other. So, this person, though, is very cold and distant, is thinking about you, and they feel the same way about you. That you are thinking about them, but you're also very cold and distant. They are missing you. They want to communicate with you, but they just don't know how to. They don't know where to start. They don't know how to start. So, it's becoming really tough for them as well. Um, but they see you as their ideal partner, perfect partner. They think that you guys really work well together. You guys are in sync. But something happened between you guys which really changed everything. It it ended the situation, or you guys separated because of it. Both of you are healing. Like I said, you guys are so mirroring each other. It seems like that you are the same sign. Okay, anyway, I feel like they, though see you distant, they feel that they still have a chance with you, and they will communicate. It seems like they will either come forward, come towards you to meet you. There is a reunion showing up. Otherwise, there is a communication coming up. Okay, though they see you very blocked. Capricorns, they see you very blocked, but they still are going to take a chance. Okay, they see you very blocked, but they will take the chance because they know that it's only with you their life and their luck will change, their fortune will change. So they don't want to leave that chance. Okay, yeah, they will come along. I do feel that. Okay, now we move on to Aquarius. Aquarius, who is the person thinking about you right now? In their current energies, in your current energies. Let's see. Okay. Somebody who has a lot of love for you, but it is at the very beginning of a relationship or a situationship, and this person is very confused about the situation. On one hand, they feel like walking out of this situation. On the other hand, they want to offer you something solid, something long term. Okay, so this person is really go in their fields. They are going through their motions, and they are not still sure about the decision. They are trying to muster up their courage. They're trying to be strong and brave to deal with this situation. This person has good intentions towards you, Aquarius. They would not like to hurt you in any way. If you feel that there is somebody in your life at the moment who is being a little withdrawn towards you, but is not actually, has not wronged you in any way, this is the person, because they will do anything but not hurt you. Okay, so for that, if they feel that they don't match up to you, they will withdraw on their own. Nevertheless, I don't see that they will withdraw eventually, because they are holding back right now. They are holding back their energy because they are trying to make a decision as far as you are concerned, either to walk away or to come forward. But I do see that they will come back in some sort of a renewed energy. They want more attention from you. I think you guys because of your past experiences also are very guarded and very scared. You are triggered from your past experiences also. That is why they are not getting the energy that they want from you either. But I do see a reunion coming through. So yeah, brace yourselves. This energy is coming up in reverse, which means that once they get out of this energy, they are able to release the burdens of the situation, which they are already. They are almost there, okay? They will come forward. I see all the people today, all the people who are thinking about you today, all the zodiac signs. I feel they are all ready to come forward, which is a good sign, It's the month of love. Let's see what happens. Of course, in Pisces season, we are more emotionally charged. So I think that is what is working here. So now we move on to Pisces. Last but not the least, Pisces. Pisces, this is your birthday month, birthday season. So a very, very happy birthday to all of you all the Pisces here. And may you have a wonderful year ahead. May God bless you with everything that you wish for. And have a very happy, healthy, peaceful, wonderful year ahead. Also enjoy your day. Okay, so Pisces, the person who is thinking about you is also at a crossroad. They are quite stuck in their heads as well, but they want to give you something solid. They feel like they have a soulmate connection with you. They feel a very strong connection with you, Pisces, but they are going through their own fields. I think they are going through certain issues at work. So it is really, it's kept them very stressed and in their heads. Okay, seems like some sort of a financial crunch they may be going through, but they are actually going through a life cycle change, and once that happens, they will emerge stronger, and that is when you will see proper communication coming through from them. And meanwhile, they are keeping a tab on you guys. They are spying on you. They definitely see to it that you are not completely gone or over them. So they will keep on appearing in your life, popping up once in a while till they are ready to come forward in their full form. They are just waiting for certain situation to sort out, and there they are. I do see a proposal coming in for you guys, Pisces, and I think you may, Pisces, you guys may settle down this year. I have been seeing this energy for Pisces a lot, that they may get a marriage proposal or a proposal for a long-term situation. So it shows up as Pisces getting married soon. Okay, and I'm so sorry that I missed out on mentioning the signs of the person who is thinking about you for every sign. In Aries, I mentioned, but in the other signs I did not. So quickly, I will mention it right now. For Taurus, the person who is thinking about you could be an Aries, could be a earth sign, which is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or could be a fire sign, as well as water sign. Fire sign being Aries, Leos, and Sagittarius. Water signs are Pisces, Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer. Okay, so Taurus, those are the signs who could be thinking of you. Of course, it can be any sign, but these are the signs that are showing up in the spreads. Now for Geminis, the signs which are showing up of the person who is thinking about you are again earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, air signs, which is Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, and fire signs, which is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, now again, it can be any sign, but these are the signs showing up. Now, as far as Cancer is concerned, the person thinking about you, their signs are Gemini. It can be a Gemini. It can be Pisces. A high priestess is showing up, a Pisces. Okay, Cancerian. Or an earth sign, which is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, now we move on to Leo. Leo, the person who's thinking about you. What are their zodiac signs? Oh, it could be a Libra. It could be a fire sign again, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or a Scorpio. A Scorpio, as well as an air sign, which is again an Aquarius, Gemini, and Libra. Now we move on to we move on to Leo. I'm sorry, Libra. Libra, the person who is thinking about you, their signs could be anything from an Aquarius to earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or an air sign, which is, it actually could be a water sign also. But yeah, right now it's showing up as air sign, which is Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, as well as Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Okay, now we move on to Scorpio. Scorpio, who is a person thinking about you. What are their zodiac signs per se? It could be an earth sign, an Aries, or any of the fire signs. It could also be a Virgo. So fire signs being fire signs being Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and earth sign being Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Sorry, I'm a little distracted. I'm just trying to finish it off fast so that I'm able to fit it into one video. Okay. Now we move on to Sagittarius, the person on your mind. Their zodiac signs could be anything from a water sign, which is a Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. It could be an Aries, Taurus, or a Capricorn. Okay. Otherwise, a fire sign. Okay. Fire sign, which is Leo, Aries, or a Sagittarius. Okay. Now we move on to, where were we? Yeah, we are on Capricorn. Capricorn, the person who is thinking about you, they They either could be an earth sign, a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or a Virgo. Like I said, Virgo is repeated twice. A water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or an air sign, okay, which is Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Now we move on to Aquarius. Aquarius, the person on your mind could be, the person who's thinking about you could be a Libra, an earth sign, which is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or could be a Gemini. Could be a Gemini, yes. Gemini, Cancer energies are also showing up. So, okay. Now, last but not the least, Pisces, the person thinking about you could be an air sign, could be an earth sign, and could be a water sign. An air sign being Libra, Aquarius, Gemini, an earth sign being Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and a water sign being Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. So we come to the end of this read. Hope you guys enjoy it and have fun with it. I will soon see you guys again. Till then, have fun, good luck, and God bless.